office vocabulary. Let's get started. Writing tools. Pen. I always use a blue pen to sign documents. Pencil. You can sketch your ideas with a pencil first. Eraser. If you make a mistake, just use the eraser to fix it. Marker. He used a red marker to highlight the important points. Whiteboard marker. The teacher wrote the answer on the board with a whiteboard marker. Highlighter. I used a yellow highlighter to mark the key sentences in the report. Fountain pen. Her handwriting looks elegant with a fountain pen. Mechanical pencil. A mechanical pencil is great because you don't need to sharpen it. Binding and fixing tools. Stapler. Can you pass me the stapler to secure these papers? Staples. We ran out of staples, so I can't use the stapler. Hole puncher. I use the hole puncher to prepare the papers for the binder. Binder clip. Binder clips are perfect for holding thick stacks of paper. Paper clip. She attached the receipts to the invoice with a paper clip. Glue. Use some glue to stick the pictures onto the card. Glue stick. The kids prefer using a glue stick because it's less messy. Transparent tape. We need transparent tape to wrap the gift neatly. Double-sided tape. Double-sided tape is useful for mounting posters on the wall. Document management. File folder. All the client information is stored in this file folder. Binder. Organize the documents in a binder for easy access. File tray. The incoming mail is placed in the top file tray. Envelope. Please seal the letter in an envelope before mailing it. Business card holder. He keeps all his contacts in a leather business card holder. Paper products. Notebook. I jot down all my meeting notes in this notebook. Sticky notes. I left a sticky note on your desk as a reminder. Printer paper. We need to order more printer paper for the office. Desk calendar. The deadline is marked on my desk calendar for next week. Measuring and calculation tools. Ruler. She used a ruler to draw a straight line. Calculator. I need a calculator to add up these expenses. Office equipment. Printer. Please print the report using the color printer. Shredder. Use the shredder to destroy confidential documents. Scanner. We scanned the old photos to keep digital copies. Power and connectivity tools. Power outlet. Make sure your computer is plugged into the power outlet. Power strip. The power strip has enough outlets for all my devices. Extension cord. I need an extension cord to connect the fan to the wall socket. Next, let's talk about why things often go missing in the office. Where is my pen? I swear I left it right here yesterday. Ah, the mystery of the disappearing office supplies. You've entered the twilight zone of stationery. No kidding. Last week I lost 3 pens, a highlighter, and I'm not joking, a stapler, a whole stapler. A stapler? That's advanced level theft. Whoever took it has graduated from the Pen Thief Academy. I know, right? And don't even get me started on paper clips. I put a whole box on my desk 2 days ago, and now it's like they've run off to form their own little paperclip rebellion. Or maybe they're hiding in some secret drawer, plotting how to escape the office entirely. I wouldn't blame them. Honestly, I think our office has a black hole. Things go in and never come out. True. Once I lost a calculator here. A calculator. How does someone accidentally borrow that? Were they doing math homework at home? Right? And let's not forget the eternal classic, borrowing a pen and forgetting to return it. It's practically an office tradition. Attention everyone! We need a new company policy. Return the pen before you leave the room. I'm adding that to the next meeting agenda. Item 3. Stop stealing my stuff. Make it bold, underline it, and maybe highlight it in neon yellow. Oh wait, Your highlighter is missing too. Don't remind me. At this rate, I might have to chain my pens to the desk. Good idea. Or we could install GPS trackers on all office supplies. Imagine getting a notification. Your stapler is now in conference room B. Brilliant! And the app can have an alert sound like, whoop, whoop, unauthorized stapler movement. We'd make millions with that idea. But first, let's go grab some coffee. At least coffee cups don't disappear. Don't be too sure about that. My favorite mug vanished last week. Wow, even the mugs aren't safe. This office really needs an exorcism. Okay, that's all for today's practicing. Hope you enjoy it. Bye for now.